Paper thin, blood rare, Italian rubbed. This is pit beef, but not the one you know. The secret is hiding in the rubby. Welcome back to the balcony. One Traeger, one cut of beef, one Italian twist that turns American pit beef into something deeper, darker, more umami. Stay with me. The reveal is at the end. The cut, eye round, lean, clean, built for thin slicing. The rub starts with dried herb, rosemary, medium grind. Texture builds the bark. Then the sage and the SPG base, salt, pepper, garlic. And one more ingredient. We'll get to that. First, dry the meat with kitchen paper. Olive oil as the binder. Light coat, no mustard, no yellow coating. Then the rub, generous. Press it in. Let it rest. 30 to 60 minutes. The salt pulls moisture to the surface. That moisture is the enemy of barca. So we pat it dry, every drop. This is the step nobody talks about. No dry surface, no crust. Traeger on the balcony, apple pellets, sweet mellow smoke, indirect heat, 120 degrees Celsius or 248 degrees Fahrenheit. No flame, no babysitting. Probe goes in the thickest part. Target internal, 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. But we pull at 47, 48 degrees Celsius or 116, 118 degrees Fahrenheit max. Why? Carryover. Off the grill, the meat keeps cooking. 2 to 3 degrees. Pull too late. And rare becomes medium. Every degree satisfies. This is the Italian method. American technique, Italian soul. Target temperature reached. Pull out. While it rests, caramelize onions, quick and easy recipe with an Italian twist, sliced white onion, olive oil, heat, then add balsamic vinegar and brown sugar. Reduce until desired consistency. The green sauce, parsley, 2 anchovy fillets, a teaspoon of capers, salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, last. Dose it for the texture you want. Less oil, thicker sauce. Now the moment, cold meat, sharp knife, against the grain, paper thin slices. If you're new here, this is what we do every week. Balcony, smoke, Italian craft. Hit subscribe. The secret ingredient in that rub, dried mushrooms, medium grind, pure umami, the depth Americans look for in sauces. We've incorporated it into the crust. Swap the porcini for dried trumpet mushrooms. Swap apple pellets for cherry. Same method, same result. Bread, onion, cold beef, green sauce on top. Next week, turkey pochetta. Don't miss the carryover masterclass. Balcony, tested.